Coimbatore Market Complex is spread across 295 acres with nearly 5,000 shops. It has different sectors starting with fruits, vegetables, flowers and wholesale pulses and cereals. And apparently on 5th of May, this entire complex with a floating working population of 10,000 people was shut due to the COVID-19 pandemic situation. Unfortunately, even after so many times, the experts from the state were trying to claim that, because of Coimbatore market alone, there is high risk chance that there could be a turnout to a super cluster. The government unfortunately is said to have not reacted on time. But after May 5th, only on 18th of September, the pulse and wholesale cereal section was open for business, and currently this is 28th of September, the vegetable section from the area is open for business, and that's why you could see several amount of people on the ground. Unfortunately, we still don't find many actually using face masks properly and such things like that. But however, the vendors and government has agreed to make sure that they will maintain social distancing. So what they have implied is that in vegetable section, general public will not be allowed to come and buy vegetables, and they have also categorized it in such a form that any shop which has a ground level of 400 square feet will not be allowed. Only above 400 square feet a shop can maintain. So it's almost like wholesale business. Two-wheelers definitely not allowed, and that's why you could see vans and minivans over here carrying all these vegetables, and this you can see onions, tomatoes and all essential vegetables at this spot. And they also made sure that they are trying to categorize the buyers into three types: 5 to 10 kilograms, 10 to 20 kilograms and only 50 to 100 kilograms, of which only 50 to 100 kilogram buyers are allowed to enter the market, and they can actually buy the items over here. And definitely, like we said earlier, no two-wheelers are allowed, and that is why you could see that actually the large vans are over here taking the produce. And very important aspect here is that even though the government decided to create a makeshift market for Coimbatore, that plan did not work. They created one at Thirumarisai with basic shelters and things like that, but it did not work because Coimbatore was a well thought plan, and for perishable goods it was adequately done. In fact, these perishable goods are coming from